It is time for another hotel check-in. Where are we today? We're at Westchase, Houston, Texas. I don't know if this one has a name on it, but we're at the Home2 Suites, Westchase, Houston, Texas. A lot of the Home2 Suites are pretty much laid out almost exactly the same way. The Home2s that I come across have a kitchenette, they have a refrigerator, they have the bathroom, a workstation, the TVs, and then the lounge area here. But we're gonna start off in the kitchen and kitchenette area. So there is this large fridge. I mean, for a king size bed, this is a huge fridge. Like, I would not even use 5% of this, probably just for the waters, which we'll just put now to keep it nice and cool. This is a different kind of fridge. I like it. Okay, so you got the fridge down. What I love is this kitchen. Home2 always has these great amenities. Especially you have like the plates, the bowls, the microwave, the utensils are usually here. Yep, they're here. Okay, there's what is this? More towels here. We got serving utensils there. A dishwasher? No way! Come on, come on! You got coffee right there, coffee mugs, and then glasses, and then usually they have soap, but they don't have soap. Oh, they do down there. Yeah, there's the trash can right there, and then if you want to wash your plate, there's the soap down there. So let's go to the bathroom now. I like this mirror, it's nice and bright. Okay, they don't have the lotion and hand soap, they have only the box soap this time. It's okay. I'm a fan of those push things, so as you know through other videos, I always look for those first. Wow, there's plenty of towels. There's face towels there, and then hand towels. There is 3 towels there, big towels. Floor mat right here. Okay, there's those push soap right there. Okay, that's the shower. And then let's keep walking. This is the desk area. Cool light. No, it's touch. You just touch it and it gives you the strength. Okay, you got more shelving right there. The chair usually just pulls out this way, and this rolls out, this table. So this could be used as a dining table, and it can be for a desk. So there you go. If you want a dining table along with that chair, and then maybe put it in the center so you can have somebody sit in the couch, then you have a dining table. Look at this side table, it pulls out. Oh, maybe that's a chair for that. Yes, it is. So you use that to sit down there. Okay, and then this lamp has the powers, and then USB, Edison power, and turning on and off. This is the same kind of couch that we had last Home2, same style. Okay. And then you're facing the TV, and there's more drawer space there. I'm gonna push this back. I don't need it. And then, voila! Welcome, Russo. All right, more shelving there. There's a power outlet here if you need to put anything here. But I like to work there. Put my laptop there. There's more hangers here. You put your bag there, and there's an iron right there. It's a bit chilly right now, so I'm probably gonna turn down this temperature. Let's do that right now. So thermostat is right here. So let's keep it cooler. Let's keep it warmer, I mean. Yeah, I don't want it too cold. It's a bit chilly in here. Let's see if the phone works. Yep, we got dial tone. Some odd reason, some hotels have phones, but they're not connected. Weird. Alright, what's over here? Looks like, oh, you can charge your phone. Nope, that's not charging. So you got additional Edison power that you can tap in. And then you have USB and Edison right there. Let's see, I'm on the first floor, so the view is not going to be exciting. The view of the parking lot, but a gorgeous sunset right now here in Texas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this blind and I'm going to close this other one here. So I have complete privacy there. All right. Yeah, the bed is always usually comfortable in these hotels from Hilton. If you guys have any question regarding this hotel check-in, comment down below. Westchase, Houston. Thanks for watching.